market to get veggies. And before we go to the market, we always have soup in this soup stall, which is just near the gate of the vegetable market. And this is a mushroom soup, and it is super tasty, and it is filled loaded with fat-free protein. So we have started the day with this. We can see the fresh mushroom and paneer for sale. These are all fresh organic from Kodaikanal. Saturday and I'm in house, so I would like to have fish. So we came to the fish stall, which is just near the vegetable market, and the Akka is cleaning the fish. Go home and cook. Good evening, friends. It's time for us to have our tea. So we decided to go to Vishal Mall after having tea because it's a weekend. And here we go. Tea, we just got ready to go to Vishal Mall, and we have John's friend with us who is joining us to Vishal Mall, and we are all going now. So as we go, just stay connected, and without further ado, let's get started.
Where are you going? Going so fast tonight. Have you ever stopped beside the road to smell the rose of life? Take a breath now. Don't hold it in too long, 'cause you might end up missing out on life's short little song. She's saying, ooh, you've got one life to live. She's singing, ooh, you've got one life to live. Don't let it go. You've got one life to live. She's singing, ooh, you've got one life to live. Don't let it go. You've got one life to live, don't let it go. Can you let go of it all tonight? Or will you decide to push on through and ignore the words inside? Take a breath now, don't hold it in too long, 'cause you'll find you're missing out a life's short little song. She's saying, ooh, you've got one life to live. She's singing, ooh, you've got one life to live. Don't let it go. Ooh, you've got one life to live. She's singing, ooh, you've got one life to live. Don't let it go.
In the massage seat, as you can see, the massage chair in Vishal Mall, and it gives a very beautiful massage for 3 minutes. Having a nice massage in a relaxing time.
By the sounds I'm breathing in, hold tight, chemicals collide. Hold tight, hold tight, hold tight. Dripping lights.
outing, and we met a special friend of ours, and we had the dinner there with them, and then we have come back, and abhi time hua hai, it's going to be 10:30. So the boy that was with John, our friend's kid, so they were telling John also to stay with them, so John was like with them. So today John is staying with the friend's house at night, and they're going to see Kung Fu Panda. So the movie Kung Fu Panda they will be seeing together, so it's like a happy union of three friends. So we just came from the restaurant, and now it's 10:30 and I'm dead tired. So guys, today I shared from morning whatever I have done, right from going to the vegetable market and bringing the fish, showing you the vegetable market of Madurai, which is located just a kilometer away from our home. Then unfortunately my maid didn't turn up, so I had to make the fish gravy and the fish fry. That too I have presented very honestly with all of you. So we had a nice nap, and then we had a tea in the evening, and evening we went out, that everything is shown. So this was my whole day that I have shared with all of you guys. Hope you have liked my channel, guys. So if you like my video, if you like my channel, please do subscribe, and I would like to read your comments to know your views and your, the comments, that whatever genuine thing you feel about it. So I'm waiting for that.